Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're always on the go and need your meals planned ahead, scheduling an order on Uber Eats is a total lifesaver. In this quick tutorial for 2025, we'll walk you through the steps to make it easy and hassle-free. Whether you're prepping for a busy workday or surprising a friend, let's dive right in. First, grab your phone and open the Uber Eats app. Make sure it's updated to the latest version for 2025 features. You don't want to miss out. Log in with your account to get started. Once you're in, search for your favorite restaurant. Use the search bar at the top or browse categories like Italian, Asian, or fast food. It's super straightforward. Next, explore the menu and add items to your cart. Customize your order. Think extras like no onions or extra spicy, and keep an eye on the total cost. Now, here's the fun part. In your cart, look for the Schedule Delivery option. It's usually right there, maybe under a clock icon or in the delivery settings. Tap on it to proceed. You'll see a handy calendar and time selector. Pick the date and time you want your food to arrive. Just ensure it's within the restaurant's available hours to avoid any delays. Review everything one last time. Your items, delivery address, and scheduled time. Add any special instructions if needed, then hit Place Order and complete the payment. You'll get a confirmation notification instantly. A quick tip. Not every restaurant offers scheduling, so if you don't see the option, try another spot or check their details. This feature is rolling out more widely in 2025, so it's worth verifying. And there you have it. You're all set for a perfectly timed meal. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more how-to guides, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy ordering.